Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. How you doing? So today's video is going to be a super short review of a product that I have been using. And let me just tell you guys, I absolutely love it. From the thumbnail, I'm sure you already know what today's video is all about. So without further ado, let me just give my little spiel. If you're new tuning in, welcome, 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 welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to join today's video. Please be sure to support your girl and give this video a great big thumbs up. Also hit that bell notification so that you can stay updated on new videos that are released each and every week. And lastly, join us. We would love for you to be a part of our Tulip Nation, okay? So become a tulip today. It's absolutely free. Also, you guys, let's chit chat. Leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Let's get into it. So today's video is all about this lovely product right here, the Selsun Blue Naturals. Y'all, I like this product. So before I jump into what the pros and cons are, let's go ahead and let's talk about the purpose of this product. If you suffer with a dry, itchy scalp, if you are riddled with dandruff, this is the best over-the-counter product that you can get, in addition to T-Gel one, but we're not going to get into that. We're talking about Selsun Blue today. So Selsun Blue is one of the best products, in my personal opinion, that is affordable, that you can purchase over the counter for dry, itchy, dandruff riddled hair, scalp, or whatever. So you guys, I decided to purchase this product because I noticed here recently I was suffering really bad with the dandruff. If I can find some footage of it, I'll make sure to make it part of this video, but if I can't, your girl apologize. Okay, y'all, I think I was able to get a better angle or get close. So look at this here. Dandruff cake up. Okay, you guys, so see that how that dandruff is caking up in there and it falls down into my new growth and then it slides down to where my protective style was installed. I cannot stand it. It's hard for me to keep it clean. I find myself constantly going in trying to get it out. I try to hit it with a little water, but it's impossible because I'm constantly scratching right in this area. It's crazy. Okay, you guys, so a little bit about this product. Selsun Blue is the expert scalp health offering high quality, effective solutions that are tough on dandruff and great for hair to help you feel confident, poised, and in control. Selsun Blue helps control dandruff by relieving symptoms like flaking and itching. So this is the purpose for why I purchased this product. So I noticed that I had been suffering with the dandruff. I had not suffered with the dandruff in years. Pre-natural, I had a dandruff issue. However, after becoming full-blown natural and had been natural for years, I didn't have the issue anymore until recently. So I don't know if it was because just my lack of water intake. And I have to admit, I know some of you guys are cringing right now. My water intake had become less and less. I just had been going through so much, wasn't eating properly, wasn't getting the proper water intake, and so it wasn't until just recently I've begun to get my water intake back in check. But neither here nor there. So I don't know if it had something to do with my lack of water or just environmental in general. I'm not sure, but rest assured, after one use of this, I have not had to go back constantly washing my hair with this product. Now keep in mind, everyone is different, okay? Everybody is different. So let's jump into the pros of this product. Right off the jump, one of the things that I like about this product is because it is dedicated towards natural hair. And it says that biggest day on the bottom, Selsun Blue Naturals. So I like that a lot. I like that a lot. Okay, because I am natural. Also, you guys, speaking of natural hair, so you guys see that I have a protective style and I specifically have the spring twist. I wash my hair with this product with these spring twists in, okay? Literally, and it did not affect this synthetic hair at all. So I just wanted to put that out there to you. That's like plus, 5 stars, plus 5 stars, plus 5 stars, okay? I'm feeling it. Also, another good thing that I like about this product is that it smells amazing. It smells good. So it smells absolutely amazing. If you're worried if the scent is going to linger, absolutely not. After a day, you don't even smell this product in your hair at all. I like the size of the bottle, you guys. This is the 11 floral ounce. Now, for me, a little bit goes a long way. I did not have to use a lot of this product. But keep in mind, I have fine to medium strands or medium to fine strands, however you want to put it. So a lot of this product I don't need. And remember, you're not applying it to your hair itself. You're applying it to your scalp because that's where the problem is. Okay? So a little bit for me went a long way. Now, if you got a big old head, then you may require a little bit more of this product than someone such as myself. But for me, a little bit goes a long way. So this made this product a pro for me. It's of vitamin B5 and E, which helps you keep good looking hair. So I like that. Also, another pro about this product, this is a daily usage shampoo. So if you truly have a more serious dandruff issue, then you can use this on a daily basis and it won't mess you up, okay? It won't harm your hair. So keep in mind, I'm not a doctor. I'm not a hair expertise. I'm just telling you what works and don't work for me, and maybe it'll work for you. So I just want to make sure you guys are clear on that. Another pro about this particular product, it is so easy to use, just so simple. The simplicity is beautiful, okay? So it makes it a pro. All you have to do is wet your hair real good first and then go in with the product and massage it, girl, into that scalp and rinse it out. Con, what I don't like about this product, I don't like that I haven't been able to find a conditioner to go with the shampoo because I would like to use 2 of the same brand. So I don't know if any of you guys are like me, but I just have such a major issue when I don't have 2. It's so important for me that I have 2 of everything. Having 1 of something that should have 2 really bothers me. I am loyal. I am loyal when it comes to certain things. So if I really like your shampoo, I want a conditioner to go with it because I like 2 of everything, no boo. Shampoo should have a conditioner. That's just like peanut butter with no jelly, cereal and no milk. Ugh. So Selsun Blue, can we get some conditioner from you? Okay. Also, you guys, another con about this product is that look how teeny weeny like the directions are. Like, this is too little for me. I need something a little bit bigger. Last and not least, last con about this product is the price point. Now, this could go either way of the spectrum. I guess it just depends on your pocketbook and your wallet. It is pretty pricey for your girl. $9.99 though, for real. So I just thought that was very expensive. However, the results make the price worth it. But it would have been nice if I could have gotten it for like $5.99-ish instead of $9.99-ish. So Selsun Blue, can we revamp the price point? Okay. Now keep in mind, depending on where you are in the world, the price may differ. However, here in the States on the southeast coast, it's $9.99. That's too much. Okay. So yeah, I don't like that But I still feel, even with those cons, I feel like the pros outweigh the cons. So this would definitely be a product that I would purchase again. This is something that I do not want to be without of. In fact, I think I like it better than the TGL1. So if you guys know what TGL1 is, that means you truly suffer from some serious dandruff, probably, more than likely. And I like TGL1, but I don't like the smell of it. Now, I haven't used that in years, so maybe they've improved on a scent. But I like the Selsun Blue better than I do the TGL1. I don't know. I might have to retry TGL1 to see if they've done anything differently. But thus far, I like this Selsun Blue. Okay. Now, back in the day, I know a lot of you guys probably thought Selsun Blue are for men. No, women and men can use Selsun Blue. I just want to put that out there to you. So yeah, you guys, that concludes today's video. If you have any questions about this particular product, let your girl know down in the comment section below. If you've used Selsun Blue, tell me what your experience has been using this particular product. And if you think their price point is ridiculous, let your girl know that too down in the comment section below. Oh, wait, before we go, because I know a lot of you guys probably want to know, where can you purchase Selsun Blue? Y'all, now I don't know if they sell this in a beauty supply store because I haven't been in one in a while, but I do know local grocery stores in their hair beauty section do sell this particular product. I bought this from my local grocery store. If you want to know specifically which grocery store I purchased it from, I'll make sure that I put that information down in the description box below for you. Also, FYI, Selsun Blue also have their own website, so you may be able to purchase it from there if this product is not sold in your local grocery store or local store, or you just can't find it. So keep that in mind. Anyway, you guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.